Hello everybody, my name is Giacomo, and together with my colleague Luca, have been working on a project sponsored by Nortartel, where Nortartel is the company which manages the IT infrastructure of notaries in Italy. And we have worked in close collaboration with notaries, Ugo Becchini and Michele Manente, in order to automate writing deeds, notarial deeds. Notarial deeds are atti notarili in Italiano. So why notaries are interested in this problem? Because they wonder what AI can do for them. And this is a smart question because they understand that there are technical breakthroughs in natural language processing, in artificial intelligence, and they want to understand how they can be not the victim of technology evolution, but how they can exploit technology. And they know that with this data-driven approach, they can somehow, they can see if they somehow can improve their workflow by exploiting their data, which are the deeds that they write every year. So first of all, we have to understand how a notary works. This is roughly how they work, even if there are many different types of deeds. Usually there are some clients. For example, if I buy a house from Luca, we are the clients, and we go to the domain expert, the notary, which has to certify this transaction. Now, sometimes this transaction might be more complicated than selling a house. And what notaries sometimes do, if they're not sure which article to use, for example, they look into their archive of deeds in order to see if there are some similar situations that can help them writing a new deeds. And what we want to do is that we want to power with AI this search into past deeds and this information retrieval from past deeds. So we propose different prototypes to the notaries. The first prototype is a semantic search into the past deeds, where, for example, you can insert a query, here, comprare casa, and this search acts not only by keyword, but also by the meaning of buying a house, and it can retrieve deeds which talk about buying a house. The query can be words, partial deeds, or entire deeds, and the result is the closest deeds which talk about this topic. We have also built an interface where notaries can perform this search, and they can give us a feedback whether the search was useful or not. Now Luca will talk about the following prototype.
Yes, thank you. The following prototype is about entity extraction from past deeds. We used the Amazon Comprehend, trained with personalized labels to extract information from deeds. So we're able to understand whether some entity is a buyer or a seller in deeds from the notaries. The next prototype is one that addresses one of the most demanding tasks for notaries. That is, when they are writing a new deed regarding a building, they need to search for deeds regarding that same building, read them, and extract information from those deeds and report those information in the new deed. So deeds might be very long, so they need to read them all. So what we do is to take the previous deeds and extract the relevant sections that they need, so that they can only read those and not the whole deed. For example, in this example, using a hierarchical BSTM with attention, we're able to do this. So what Nortartel wants to do is to build a platform common to all the notaries in Italy in order to help them in their workflow. For example, that platform could use AI to perform this task, for example, warning for missing section, automatic formatting, and much more. Thank you very much for your attention.